Good morning, boys and girls. Hope you all are doing good. I already posted your work for this week, so go to under Classwork. Um, so, like I said last week, we're going to start doing class attendance. This week's attendance is going to be class attendance for week of May 4th through the 8th. Just click here. You're going to put the date, the time you signed in, your name, and then your class period. Then you put submit. And then once you put submit, you just close it. And it gets turned into me. Some of you have already done that. Also, your classwork for this week will be under week of May 4th through 8th. We're going to be covering this week the physical geography of East Asia. We're not going to talk about Africa anymore. All right. So now we're going to talk about the Asians. Click on the work, click on view assignment. All right. And you do the form or do the PDF. There's a video for you to do or to watch so you can get the answers. All right. So if you want to get the answers without having to read the packet, watch the video. It's a little lengthy, but you'll get the answers right away. Just remember in the video, I didn't get to do 7 and 5, so those you have to do on your own, but they're fairly easy. One more thing. All right, so when you're in any assignment, even the class attendance, once you submit your attendance, put mark as done. And same thing with your classwork. Whenever you're doing an assignment, you need to, one, do the assignment. So just because you do the form, the purple form, and put submit, doesn't mean you're done. Okay, so when you're done, you put submit, press back, or no, press close, then you press mark as done. All right, then it turns it in straight to me. That way I can see your work automatically. Some of you are not putting marked as done on your work. Make sure to do that because I have to manually go and look for your work. It takes me a lot longer. And when I put your progress report out, a lot of you are complaining that I am not giving you credit for work that you did. Well, I probably didn't get to see your work because you didn't turn it in correctly. And yes, I'll go back and check for it, but it takes me a lot longer, and then I might miss some grades because y'all didn't turn it in correctly. So let's try to make sure we do that. So remember, as soon as you're done with your assignment, if you're doing it this way, just click X. All right, but make sure to put submit as well. All right, then click X, and then put marked as done. All right. Same thing if you're turning in a PDF file, put mark as done. And if you're going to turn in pictures, remember, you upload your pictures on file, and then you choose your pictures by selecting, putting them in there, and then you put marked as done so I can get those. All right. Other than that, that's it for this week. A lot of you got to catch up. That's good. Some of you are still really far behind. Just a reminder, if you're not doing your work, you will be placed in summer school online. All right. And if you don't do the summer school online either, they're not going to promote you to the next grade level. So you all need to start getting to work. We only got a few weeks left. The assignments are still open so you can do them. So you have plenty of time to do it. All right, and I'll probably do another week where I'll give you some more time to finish all your assignments and not post anything so you can be able to do them. Okay, that's pretty much it. Contact me if you have any questions. Thank you.